Lost your W-2 or never received one in the first place? You might be wondering, can I still file my taxes without a W-2 form? The answer is yes. You can absolutely file your tax return without a W-2. The IRS still expects you to report your income. You just need to use other records to do it accurately. And honestly, this happens more often than you think, especially if you're living abroad. A W-2 shows how much you earned from a U.S. employer and how much tax was withheld. The IRS already gets a copy of this form, so normally your return needs to match those numbers. But if the form is missing, that doesn't stop you from filing. There are a few common reasons why your W-2 might be missing. Your employer hasn't sent it, you lost it, the company shut down, or you're working for a foreign employer that doesn't issue W-2s at all. If you don't have your W-2s, here's what you can do. First, contact your U.S. employer. They can usually resend it quickly. If that's not an option, gather your records. Look at your pay stubs, bank deposits, or payroll reports. You can also request a wage transcript directly from the IRS if this is U.S. income. And if all else fails, you can use Form 4852, which acts as a substitute for your W-2. Now, if you're living abroad, this situation is actually very common. Foreign employers don't follow U.S. payroll reporting rules, so you'll never receive a W-2 at all. In that case, you report your income using your own records like salary statements or bank deposits. You may also qualify for tax benefits like the Foreign Earned Income Exclusion or Foreign Tax Credit, which can help reduce or eliminate double taxation. If you're self-employed, it's the same idea. You won't receive a W-2. You report your business income and expenses using your business records like invoices, bank statements, and payment summaries. The IRS still expects you to report everything, even if no form was issued. Now here's the key. Accuracy matters. If your numbers don't match what the IRS receives later, they may send you a notice. That's why it's important to keep good records, estimate carefully, and update your return if needed. And don't forget, missing documents do not change your deadline. You still need to file on time or request an extension. If you're unsure how to file without a W-2, especially if you're living abroad or dealing with multiple income sources, we can help. Click the link below to read the full guide or schedule a free 30-minute consultation with our team at Tax Samaritan. We'll help you file correctly and avoid costly mistakes. I'm Randall Brody, and we're here to help.